Connect the mount. Push the ball head into the screen holder from bottom to top. Put the nut into the ball head. Push the magnetic mount into it. Tighten the nut. Without tearing the red film, put the mount on the car screen for testing. Custom made for Toyota Camry models equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen. Extra adhesive tape for replacement or reinforcement. Adjusted from bottom to top for the optimal. Install the mount. Clean the top of the screen. Tear off the red film. Install the mount on the screen and press for at least 15 minutes. Wait 24 hours before use. Here is another installation option for the mount base. If the screen holder does not fit your car, you can choose this mount base. Custom made for the 2021-2024 Toyota Camry. Push the ball head into the holder from bottom to top. Put the nut into the ball head. Push the magnetic mount. Tighten the nut. Install the mount. Here, off the red film. Snap it into the dashboard. Press the adhesive area for at least 15 minutes. Wait 24 hours before use. After sales service,